Long ago in the heaven, Chandra the moon god was a devotee of Brihaspati, the god great guru of the god. One day, walking in the garden, Chandra saw the Tara, beautiful wife of Brihaspati. Slowly, Chandra became consumed. He forcibly took Tara, forgetting his duty and respect for his guru. Brihaspati declared war. The heaven trembled as gods as demons chose their sides. Shukracharya, the guru of demons, supported Chandra, while the gods stood firmly with the Brihaspati. This terrible conflict born from desire and obsession came to be known as Tarakamya War. Fearing the destruction of universe, Lord Brahma himself decided to stop the war. After some time, Tara gave birth to divine child named Buddha. Chandra claimed the child as his own. When Buddha grew older, he asked his mother about his real father. Tara revealed the truth. Chandra, the moon god, was the Buddha's true father. Buddha later married and a son was born. From Buddha's son began the great Chandra dynasty.